Good morning everyone. Today we're at TL. I had to come here even though I'm very busy. As you realize, I haven't been uploading. But this is something I had to come to. Anyways, so yeah, we're at TL. We're starting off at the first station of the phase 2. Not Caldecott, but basically Springleaf. Technically, yeah, it's not a first station, but first station of the new line. So yeah, we're starting off our journey here. I really took the train. Looks really great. I really like this whole thing. It looks really great. Oh my god, there's another exit there. That exit I'm more familiar with that. It's like near the shop houses. But yeah, we're here. Really empty, guys. Really like it. So yeah, we'll be going down, taking the train. So basically what I'm going to do is take the whole line to probably Upper Thomson. Probably won't go Caldecott because not familiar with that place. I could, but I don't want to. So yeah, I'm really excited. Gonna show you guys the designs. Have some cinematic montages here. Really great place. I'm so excited, I don't know why. But we're gonna meet up with some people. And yeah, let's go down here. I'm kind of excited for Mayflower. I don't know, I like the area. Springleaf, I feel like, I don't know why. It's like, it gives a very nice vibe. Because it's like very quiet, very nature-like. A lot of shop houses to eat at. But I feel like really great place. I really like Springleaf. But yeah, let's go.
To be good, but being good always be problems is true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm around.
Alright, so we're here. Gonna take the train to Landhall. Let's go. Let's see what set this is. It's 2009. Alright, we're here.
Yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
Oh my god, I like this design. Like, really cool. Yeah. I liked all the designs like around this area. I mean, each station has a very unique design. So yeah, Woodlands North, Caldecott. This is really cool. I feel like this is one of my favorites. Let's visit the upstairs. Okay, gotta say, like these hallways, really modern design if you compare it to other lines. Of course, there's so many exits. 4, 5. What? I'm probably gonna go one of these. So yeah, there's one exit here, another there, like opposite. And I don't know where's the other one. No, that's exit 4. It's exit 5. I don't know. These TL stations really give a good atmosphere. Like the surroundings, I really like them. Really like nature. Alright, I don't know. Smells kind of weird. So we're gonna go to Caldecott. Next stop, we got Mayflower. I like Mayflower. Another great location. Really cool cinematic there. But yeah, this is Landhall basically. I'm quite busy taking like a lot of cinematic shots. Oh my god. Like these chairs. Like the ones where you can lean back. It's just really new. Alright, so we're gonna go over to Caldecott right now. Not exactly Caldecott, towards Caldecott. We're gonna go to Mayflower first, then Bright Hill, then Upper Thomson. But 3 more to go. Pretty excited for it. Alright, we're gonna go on board this. The train smells like plastic. You know, KSF has like some plastic smell. This exactly smells like KSFC. I mean, not surprised they're KSF, but there's a strong plastic smell. Maybe, I don't know what is it. Alright, Mayflower, here we come. Holy shoot. First of all, there's this weird thing. I saw a sneak preview. But also, by the way guys, fun fact, I did not watch any of this opening house thing because I didn't want to spoil it for me. I don't want to like know what it is. So this is completely my first reaction, except some sneak peek. But other than that, I did not watch anything. Oh my god, I really like this. Oh my god, guys, look, they're birds. Didn't realize. Thought someone threw litter. That's actually birds. Really cool. Cause like Mayflower, you know, there's like a bird. Okay, this has to be one of my favorite because of like the little things, like the birds, the thing. Oh, the lift. Haven't tried the lift for you lift enthusiast. Okay. This is surroundings. But it's getting real hot. I'm gonna have to go back in. So basically, it's like the Kuban Baru area with you know, honeycomb. Basically, whole design is honeycomb. Yeah, that's the summary. Honestly, kind of confusing. But I'm gonna rate my stations. I think this is probably one of my favorite. Not like the spring leaf atmosphere. It's like all nature. This way? No, yeah, that way. Okay, we're gonna wait here. I may wait for a friend, or I may go to Bright Hill and then Upper Thomson. I don't know yet, but yeah.
What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back. They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always bring problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play, but maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
Alright, I really like it. It's like a bit dim, but I feel like it's really nice. Bright Hill Station. I have no idea what these exits are, but I'm gonna try anyone. So we're gonna exit, get a low view of the station because I like Bright Hill. I feel like Springleaf would be best. I don't know, I just like Springleaf atmosphere. Definitely will go back to that one. Bright Hill, I have no idea. Seen it before, but let's just go. Okay, basically from what I've seen, mostly HGB and stuff like that. Okay. Think I may want. Yeah, near the Xingming area. That's cooler. Yup. So let's see the exit directory. Okay, take a video. I realized why is there Springleaf bound? That's odd. Because it should go to Woodlands North, but I suspect it would use the turnaround sidings, come back here. But yeah, it's pretty interesting that there's a Springleaf bound. So yeah, basically schools, HGV, and I have no idea what else, but okay. Now my mission is to go to Upper Thomson. That's our last stop. Upper Thomson really plain, but real crowded. Caldecott. Okay, I'm gonna go to head to Upper Thomson, not going to Caldecott. Alright, we're going to Upper Thomson now. So basically this Thomson area, mostly shop houses and Thomson Plaza. But I'm gonna go up. Really plain design, nothing, no special things. I mean the special things are the animals. I'm gonna show you guys. There's the animal drawings. But Mayflower was like the most decorated. There's like honeycombs, birds and everything. But here it's kind of plain honestly. Only this, I don't know, desert. Not desert but sand thing. Alright, this is probably the link way to Thomson Plaza. And then up here, we got some other stuff probably. A lot of shop houses here. Pretty nice. Here, Thomson Plaza, Thomson area, there's a Springleaf shop. Cooking my breakfast here. I'm tired. I've been walking up the stairs. Escalators, I mean, but still. Okay, so when I come here, I normally see this. Like all the, you know, the landed property, stuff like that. Really good view. But it's really warm. It's not raining. So it's freaking warm. This is the climate here. Can't believe I'm stepping in the sun, but I'm gonna die in the sun. But yeah, basically the church and then the other exit, then this exit near the Thomson Plaza. I think Thomson Plaza, there's a link way down below. I need to film this, but I don't think I can. I cannot. Okay, so we got a lot of buses. The main Thomson area, you know, the crowded. Okay, you get it. I am gonna melt out here in the hot sun. I cannot even take it anymore. I think that's a link to Thomson Plaza. And I don't know, TL there. TL, my camera's gonna die. But yeah, because I've been recording a lot. You know, this is the open house. Sadly, there's no like events and games. But anyways, okay. Honestly, it's kind of nice. Like the linkway, the bridges and stuff. Yeah, I feel like it's quite nice. then you have to go inside, reach the area. Okay, I'm gonna go tap in. Okay, kinda wanna get out of this place. It's crowded as frick. But yeah, oh my god, it's mad wasted. So yeah, we visited everything already. So I mean, I would say it's real great because they show like because they basically show everything iconic about each station. The decoration is basically iconic to each station. So like example, this had the, I don't know, but it's like really themed to the place, which I really like.